The ignition switch on the 997 is easier to replace as the steering lockout is no longer incorporated into the switch. Begin by using a trim removal tool and gently prying the surround away from the switch and the dash, indicated by the red arrows. Take your time and do not mar the surfaces. Using a trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver, turn the retaining bezel counterclockwise, red arrow. Push the switch back into the dash. There is a wiring holder inside the opening, red arrow. Use a trim removal tool and separate the holder from the dash panel using care not to damage the wiring. Then pass the switch out through the bottom of the dash panel, blue arrow. Disconnect the switch by squeezing in on the clip and separating the connection, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. To make installation easier, disconnect the battery and place the key in the ignition switch. Pass a piece of wire or twine through the opening and tie it to the key. This will help you get it into place in the opening in the dash and hold it there while you start to screw the bezel back into place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.